Welcome back, Profit Quests family. I'm so glad to have you here again. If you're new to the channel, a warm welcome to you too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest crypto projects, airdrops, and online earning opportunities we break down right here. Also, make sure you join our Telegram channel using the link in the description. That's where I regularly post new airdrop updates, early stage projects, and everything hot in the crypto world. You really don't want to miss out. Today, we're exploring a fresh and promising opportunity, the Bitpixl mining app. This one is especially interesting because it's tied to an upcoming global exchange project, and it allows you to mine its native token completely free right now. If you've ever seen how big tokens like BNB or BitGetsBGB have become, then you already know what kind of potential an exchange token can hold. These tokens have been known to skyrocket in value once their platforms go live and gain traction. Now just imagine getting in early, before listings, before a big user base, and mining the token for free while you still can. That's exactly what Bitpixl is offering. So let's walk through the entire process step by step so you can start mining as soon as possible. When you visit Bitpixl's website, you'll notice it's fairly minimal for now. It simply states that it's building a premier global exchange and digital ecosystem. There's a Download App Now button available, and you'll see that the app is available for both Android and iOS. You'll also find links to their social media handles and white paper at the bottom of the page for more details. But the core action happens inside the app, so your first step should be to download and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and proceed to the registration screen. You'll be given two options. You can sign up either using your email address or phone number. In this case, I went with the email option. After choosing your preferred method, you'll be asked to enter your country and your email. Then hit Next. Next, you'll create a password and confirm it. After that, you'll be asked to provide your first name, last name, and a referral code. Fill out all the required fields and click Submit. Once that's done, you'll see a Get Started button. Hit that, and it'll take you into the main app dashboard. Inside the app, you'll notice a very simple and easy-to-navigate interface. To begin mining, all you need to do is tap the Start Mining button. Your mining rate will be shown on the screen, and it starts immediately once you activate it. Now, currently, this project is in its early phase, which means the UI is clean with limited features for now, but everything works. You can view your mining progress, how many tokens you've earned, and your current mining rate per hour. You'll also see an option to invite friends. This is where it gets exciting because referrals actually boost your mining rate. As you scroll through the app, you'll find the halving chart. Right now, you're earning 0.5 tokens per hour. But this rate will decrease once the total number of users hits 100,000. After that milestone, the rate drops to 0.25 tokens per hour. So the earlier you start, the better your returns. The halving mechanism is similar to Bitcoin. As more users join, rewards are reduced to maintain scarcity. The same halving rule applies to referral rewards. At the moment, you earn 0.1 tokens per hour per active referral. Once halving is triggered due to growth, referral earnings will also be reduced accordingly. So it's best to bring in friends early while the rewards are still high. You'll also see an Invite Friends option, where you can copy your referral link and send it to others. The app will also show you how many people you've referred, whether they're active or inactive, and even lets you ping inactive users. When you click on a user who hasn't started mining yet, the app will send them a reminder message, encouraging them to begin. Every friend you successfully refer gives you a 20% mining speed boost. That means the more active referrals you have, the faster your tokens will accumulate. You can see all your invited users, their activity status, and their contribution to your mining rate right from the referral tab. Now, if you tap on your hourly mining rate, you'll see a full breakdown of how your total mining speed is calculated. For example, if your base mining rate is 0.5 tokens per hour and your referrals contribute an extra 0.7, then your total mining rate would be stashed 1.2 tokens per hour. This section gives you full transparency over where your earnings are coming from. In the top corner of the app, you'll notice a 3-line menu icon. Tap on it to access more settings, including your profile, where you can review your personal details, update them if needed, and adjust app settings like language. Everything is neatly organized. Since Bitpixl is still at an early development stage, this is your chance to take advantage of the free mining before anything goes live or changes. The sooner you start, the more tokens you can mine before the first halving or any major updates roll out. I've added the link to download the app directly in the description. So go there, install the app, and start mining right away. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and once you do, you're set to start collecting free tokens passively. As always, I'll continue monitoring this project closely and will share any new updates or announcements with you on the channel. For more frequent updates and airdrops you won't find anywhere else, don't forget to join our Telegram community. The link is down below. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one, where we'll cover more powerful crypto tools, hidden gem projects, and exclusive airdrops. Stay sharp and keep stacking those gains. Profit Quest family.